Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base withdrawal proof from the base website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from the website I share with you. And let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. This is my balance available in those website, and right now I want to withdraw like a euro. I go to my faucetpay, copy my euro wallet address from faucetpay, go to link it. This is my euro wallet address. I just click copy and come here in this website, paste my euro wallet address, and after that I pasting my euro wallet address. I just click withdrawal. This website send me my euro wallet euro to my wallet address instantly. I go to my faucet pay, go to overview to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. This website pay me or not, and you can see this much euro. This website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. That's not too much, but this website pay you 100%. About that I share with you the withdrawal proof. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in description, and you can earn much more ways from this website, and you can earn much more coins from this website. And thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.